Steve Holderness, it's incredible, isn't it? Oh, I can hear that. JB Siv saying good morning from Austin. How are you doing? Wow. Incredible sounds. Woohoo! That just never ever gets old. Play Mad Dean, it does. Wow. So let's see what the triple kicks up.
If you're not ready yet, your flopper come forward 103.0. I will call you shortly.
Wow.
103, I'll copy. 257 forward, full passing on 3000.
Beautiful. Still a bit of spray left on the runway there. Alan James, morning everyone. Good morning to you, Ian. And Ian Mahoney. Very poetic commentary today. Do you know what? I'm feeling very, as you can tell, very chilled out, very peaceful this morning. It's beautiful being out in weather like this. DJB Planes, morning. Thank you so much. Out to Montego Bay, this aircraft. Kicking up a bit of spray. Oh. Wow. Thank you so much for the support, honestly, guys. Richard Cullum saying we've got 2 Antonovs in the US of A. Larry Davis, good morning, Chris. Doing the washing up. I'm watching you on the laptop. Absolutely brilliant, Larry. Good morning to everyone just joining us. Jeanette, absolutely loving this. Beautiful TUI. And Louis Pennon, I believe around this time, somewhere around this year, I believe.
Land up to parking 787, 788.
Wow. Incredible stuff. Golf Tango uniform, India Foxtrot, that's 787 there. Absolutely. And then outbound straight away with a BA 777. Douglas Stocks saying, morning Chris, keep up the good work my friend, love the show. Thank you so much, Douglas. Simon from the threshold of 26. Molly's in the club, yeah, saying another fantastic stream, Chris. Must pop out. See you next time. Molly, take care. Michelle, I wouldn't worry. Ooh. That was Yankee Mike Juliet powering over my... good. I'm all safe here in the field. Go fellas, saying train to Victoria, London Bridge and Blackfriars, 24/7. Epic, Gary. Thank you so much for that, mate. I really appreciate it. Hillcrest saying one of BA's oldest. Mike Bravo, 23 years old. Still going to be providing beautiful vocals. And the A380 just coming into view as well. I'll tell you what, let's just quickly. There we go. So she's on the taxi. The last two heavies of the show. Andrew Strain, not a problem. Enjoy, my friend. Robert Smith, no worries. Fred Spikeman saying no sun in Michigan. Gary Fellows, thanks, mate. I can hear it from here. Hello. How you doing? Whoa. Wow. Steve Frost, thank you so much. I hope, to be honest, the internet holds up to quite a good thing here, considering I'm in the middle of nowhere. Michelle Johnson. Right, so heading out with the Qatar 787. Why not? Oh. Typical Ashton, absolutely typical. I'm lucky I recorded it all. I've got everything recorded, so we're all good. Les Fuller saying happy to subscribe and great to have caught a lot of today's stream, not a problem. Whoa. Of the show. I hope you've all had a blast though, guys. Thank you so much. David K, not a problem. I'll see you tomorrow at LCY, my friend. DJ Angel Writer, absolutely brilliant. Michelle Johnson saying it's clouding over now in Essex. Yeah, Kev Carter. Let's hope it don't. Outbound with the 777, and this will be the last one. Yeah, Arthur Clarke. The first one was okay though. Jeanette.